In today's video we'll be talking about what bandwidth sharing apps have the best performance, and we'll do a little ranking based on how each are doing. For those of you that don't know, I've built a small digital passive income by using a combination of Raspberry Pis and bandwidth sharing apps to sell my unused bandwidth for a little extra beer money. If you'd like to know more about that digital passive income, please check out the video above, or you can find a link to it in the description. I've been using Earn App, Honeygawn, Peer2Profit, Pawns.app, Traf Monetizer, and Repocket. Each of these apps have good and bad points, and some do earn better than others. I'd also like to point out that each of these apps earns based off of two things: first, the type of internet connection, and the second is the location of that connection. To give you a base reference, my current connection, as of making this video, is a residential based in Houston, Texas. I've been using Earn App, Honeygawn, Peer2Profit, Pawns.app, Traf Monetizer, and Repocket to make a digital passive income. Each of these apps have good and bad points, and some do earn better than others. I'd also like to point out that each of these apps earns based off of two things: first, the type of internet connection, and the second is the location of that connection. To give you a base reference, my current connection, as of making this video, is a residential connection based in Houston, Texas. The first program we will be working with is Earn App. Earn App is a high-earning app, earning me a digital passive income of $183.18 as of making this video. Right now, based off of my location and type of connection, I'm getting 45 cents per gigabit. Earn App has a very full dashboard that's easy to navigate, and very informative. Earn App is supported on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and even the Roku. Earn App is also one of the easier digital passive income apps to install, configure, and use, and as of making this video you can have multiple instances of this app running on one IP address. I'm also a big fan of Honeygawn. Honeygawn is another high-earning app, and it has a few ways that you can earn a digital passive income. I'm going to talk about the main four. First of is called Gathering. Gathering is basically nothing more than sharing your bandwidth just like Earn App. Nothing really new here, you simply let Honeygawn use your extra bandwidth and they pay you for it. Again, based on where your connection is, and type of connection. You also have an opportunity to earn from referrals, if you wish to take part in that program. There is also earning that can be made from daily winnings. You do have to visit your account each day for that, but it's nice to earn a little extra each day just for checking in. The last way you can earn that I will talk about is content delivery. At the time of making this video you could only take part in content delivery with a Windows computer and a strong internet connection. Basically, you would share your connection for bandwidth-intensive content like IPTV, or VoIP. As of making this video I've made $98.06. Honeygawn does have a great dashboard that's very informative, but I have to admit it makes me feel like they have Mickey Mouse controls. They also have a nice referral program that, at the time of making this video, has a $5 signing bonus just for signing up via my referral link below. Peer2Profit is another one of my favorite digital passive incomes with a total earnings of $116.63 as of making this video. I've got to admit, I feel that the dashboard on Peer2Profit is one of the best out of all of the apps I use. With Peer2Profit's clear layout, and the amount of information they give us, it's easy to see why this dashboard outshines its counterparts. Peer2Profit also lets you install multiple instances of this on a single or multiple IP address, and if you have access to proxies you can even add those too. I do want to point out that Peer2Profit seems to prefer having private proxies added to the Peer2Profit network, over those from data centers or in free proxy pools. The next app I want to speak about is Pawns.apps. You may know of this one as IP Royals. They have done some major updates with both the dashboard, and the overall earning program itself. First, I've earned $15.29 by sharing my unused bandwidth, and $11.41 from the referral program. Both of these options are kind of standard, however, Pawns.apps now gives you the option to do surveys if you meet the qualifications. I have not met the qualifications yet. I also want to say that they're giving you a $1 signing bonus for signing up via my referral link. Please take advantage of that. One of the biggest things I like about this app is its reputation for being a solid running app. From using this program, I can tell you I've had very little issue with it, and really not had to babysit the program at all. Traf Monetizer is a newer app that is really proving to be a legit earning platform that runs well, and is very easy to manage. I'm kind of have a special place for this app, as I came in on the ground floor with this little program. In the short time I've used this app, we've earned a total of $16.48, and I've got to say the dashboard is very nice taking into account the age of this platform. The support team is really helpful, and the referral program is very nice too. Traf Monetizer is an earner for sure. Load Team, another great app, but this one is a little different than the others. This app isn't a bandwidth sharing app at all. Load Team doesn't help you sell your unused bandwidth. Instead, Load Team helps you sell your unused CPU power. As you can see, as of making this video, I've made a total of $10.03. I use this program in two ways. The first is a simply way to load my CPUs down and do a little load testing. The other is by installing this on my set-top box. That way it pays me a little each time I turn my set-top box on and watch TV. I do want to say be mindful of power consumption. This program is really a way to recoup money and not a way to earn tons of it. The last app I want to speak about is another new one. The app is called Repocket. Repocket is a bandwidth sharing app, and it is new and still in beta as of making this video. This platform was recommended by one of my longtime viewers and friend, and it's been a nice earning app since I've started to use it. As of making this video I've made $6.17. Please keep in mind I've not been using this app long, and it's still in beta. I do have to make sure this app is managed as it is new and does require updates often. In short, my top 3 apps are as follows: Earn app in my number 1 spot, Peer2 Profit in a close second, and then Honeygain in that number 3 spot. You can't go wrong with these apps. And each app earns well. I would recommend checking out my video about best practices when using these apps, as it will give you a few shortcuts I've learned. Please take a second to check out the description for the links to each of these digital passive incomes. If you take part, use my referral links, and sell your unused bandwidth, I'll make a small commission, and most of these programs, as of making this video, offer a signing bonus for signing up via my referral link. I'd like to say thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and found it informative. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. It really helps the channel grow.